everyone. Today I'll be discussing which amongst the two, that is Angular and React, is better and which one to use. But before that, let us know what exactly Angular and React are. Particularly here I'm talking about Angular 2, which is a newer version of the framework. So let's start with it. Angular is an open source framework that is mainly used to create web apps, single page web apps, and also hybrid apps. It is developed on TypeScript, mainly developed and maintained by Google, and also Angular is a full-fledged toolkit which has everything a developer needs to build a large-scale app. On the other hand, React was developed by Facebook as a front-end JavaScript library for building user interfaces. React allows programmers to develop or figure out basically how their app is going to look for users and how they are going to interact with it. It can also be used to develop web apps, native rendered apps, and even mobile applications. Now let us compare the two on a little technical basis. Starting with performance and DOM. The basic difference between the two lies here that Angular uses real DOM while React runs on virtual DOM. So in this situation where you would want to change just a little bit of information or you want to update a piece of information, so in case of Angular, the real DOM will change or update the entire HTML tree structure until it finds the needed data, instead of just updating that bit of information. While on the other hand, the virtual DOM of React allows you to update that little bit of information without rewriting the entire code for HTML documents. Next up is data blinding. So the difference between the two is that Angular uses a two-way data blinding while React uses a one-way data blinding. For a fact, one-way data blinding is better because it makes the code more stable and moreover, it also makes the debugging of an app much easier. Still, with Angular's way, it's simpler to work with. Next is bundle size. Angular is larger in size and therefore resulting in longer load times and performance on mobile, while React is smaller than Angular, so therefore it's a bit faster. Both Angular and React are wonderful tools that developers love to use. These two have enormous amounts of advantages. But till now, we can say that React is a better option. Just because React is used more, it evolves and it remains trendy. Plus, React is supported enormously by the developers community. Obviously, there's much more to it. And to explore this more informative content, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.